DoorDash has streamlined its name change process for 2025, but it remains more complex than simple profile updates due to legal and tax compliance requirements. There are two main categories of name changes. Legal name changes require official documentation for marriage, divorce, court orders, or gender transitions. Profile display updates are simpler changes like preferred names or spelling corrections. Changing your name affects three critical areas. Your driver profile includes the account display name, customer-facing delivery name, and internal DoorDash records. Tax documents like 1099 forms must match your legal name for IRS compliance. Payout details require bank account name matching and payment processor verification. DoorDash has made significant improvements for 2025. The platform now features enhanced identity verification systems, faster processing times reduced to just 3 to 7 business days, improved in-app support, and integration with third-party verification services for better security and user experience. These changes ensure better compliance with tax regulations while providing drivers with a more streamlined experience when updating their account information. There are two ways to change your name on DoorDash. The first method is through the driver app itself. The second method is contacting DoorDash Driver support directly, which may be necessary for complex cases. Regardless of which method you choose, you'll need to provide specific documentation to verify your identity and name change. If your name change is due to marriage, divorce, or a court order, you'll need legal documentation proving the name change. Your Social Security card is required for tax compliance, as DoorDash must ensure all tax documents match your legal name. Finally, bank account verification ensures your payouts continue without interruption after the name change. Here are the key considerations to ensure a smooth name change process and avoid common delays. DoorDash has significantly improved their name change process. Current industry data shows impressive success rates and faster processing times.